And lesson number 31, robotics.
Robotics.
A robot is a
A robot is a
complex machine,
complex machine,
complex
complex
man-made
man-made
machine
machine
that can perform
that can perform
many of the
many of the
tasks
tasks
that
that
human beings
human beings
do,
do,
and some
and some
tasks
tasks
that are too
that are too
difficult or
difficult or
dangerous for
dangerous for
human beings.
human beings.
Robots are
Robots are
built in
built in
such a way
such a way
that they
that they
can perform
can perform
this task
these tasks
automatically
automatically
when they are
when they are
started
started
or
or
on
on
command.
command.
Robots may be
Robots may be
operated
operated
by
by
remote control.
remote control.
A robot
A robot
usually
usually
has
has
three things.
three things.
It has a
It has a
built
built-in
in computer program.
computer program.
This program
This program
is like
is like
the robot's
the robot's
brain.
brain.
Only
Only
a robot
a robot
cannot think
cannot think
on its
on its
own like
own like
human beings
human beings
do.
do.
It cannot
It cannot
decide
decide
whether
whether
to do
to do
something,
something,
whether
whether
something is good
something is good
or bad
or bad
on
on
its own.
its own.
It can
It can
learn and
learn and
do only
do only
what
what
the
the
computer program
computer program
makes
makes
it possible
it possible
for the
for the
robot
robot
to learn
to learn
and do.
and do.
A robot
A robot
does not
does not
have
have
moods
moods
and
and
feelings
feelings
like human beings
like human beings
do.
do.
Like other
Like other
machines,
machines,
a robot can
a robot can
do
do
boring tasks
boring tasks
again and again
again and again
and again
and again
without
without
getting
getting
bored.
bored.
It can
It can
work
work
in dangerous
in dangerous
places
places
where human
when human
beings
beings
cannot go
cannot go
or
on.
live. A robot
A robot
has
has
mechanical parts
mechanical parts
or
or
a body.
a body.
These parts
These parts
enable
enable
the robot
the robot
to
to
move or
move on,
perform
perform
certain
certain
actions
action
in certain ways.
in certain ways.
These parts
These parts
may have
may have
pipes,
pipes,
tubes,
tubes,
cylinders,
cylinders,
wheels,
wheels,
and
and
gears
gears
joined in a
joining a
particular way.
particular way.
There may be
There may be
devices
devices
that scoop
that scoop
up
up
or
or
hold
hold
things,
things,
blow,
blow,
suck,
suck,
sweep,
sweep,
etc.
etc.
These
These
parts are
parts are
designed to suit
designed to suit
designed to suit
the
the purpose
purpose
for
for
which the robot is built.
which the robot is built.
A robot also
A robot also
has
has
sensors
sensors
or devices
or devices
that
that
inform it
inform it
about its
about its
surroundings.
surroundings.
These
These
sensors
sensors
are
are
like the
like the
robot's
robot
eyes,
eyes,
ears,
ears,
nose,
nose,
skin,
skin,
etc.
etc.
Again,
Again,
these devices
these devices
are
are
designed
designed
and
and
fitted to the
fitted to the
robot
robot
by experts
by experts
who design
who design
and
and
build the robot.
build the robot.
Some robots
Some robots
are
are
designed
designed
to look like
to look like
human beings
human beings
or
or
other living things,
other living things,
or they may
or that they may
be given
be given
other suitable
other suitable
shapes.
shapes.
It requires
It requires
a lot of
a lot of
hard work,
hard work,
skill,
skill,
and
and
imagination
imagination
to design
to design
and build robots.
and build robots.
Would you like
Would you like
to design or
to design or
build a
build a
real robot
real robot
when you grow up?
when you grow up?
For that,
For that,
you will
you will
have to study
have to study
the relevant
the relevant
subjects
subjects
well and also
well and also
develop a good
develop a good
imagination.
imagination